Hi, I'm Ronnie from Ronnie's Garage, and today we're having our monthly tech meet, and we'll be working on slow windows on a Bentley T2. All right, I think we're almost ready to put it on there. Oh, I need 2 eyelets. Around. Okay.
Those could be just short like that. You just want to get it over the length there.
It's nice enough.
You don't want it to rattle off at 40,000 feet.
40,000, you got plenty of time to plan. At 20 feet or 50 feet where you don't have any time at all.
How about that next off-ramp?
Altitude and airspeed are your friends.
These are high heat ones. They're really tough. So one of these goes to one side. This one goes to the other one. I was thinking of another setup I had for different windows. The other one. This one goes to this window. Almost there. So the normally closes the ground, right? Yes. Yeah, because this is normally closed. That goes to ground.
You got your
Sorry?
You got your diode going to the correct terminal?
It doesn't matter. Just one side of the winding.
Okay.
Huh?
Drill a couple holes for that VR.
Oh, I got that covered. I drill them as I install them. It's cheating. Huh? Oh, well, we got to make sure we don't go into the harness here, so I'm going to move them probably over here. How's that? Problem is I need to ground to that too, so I should have put one of these in it. This is going to stick out too much. That's the only thing I don't like. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it works. I'll change the bolts. So these are the inputs from the switch. This is the added power source. Oh, wait, these. This is the added power source. That one actually has to come up.
Oh, there's no problem. So take it home and wear it. Then when you bring it back, you right up to the scratch. You can't do it.
Ron, this is all on that diagram.
Yeah, basically. Yeah.
For the most part.
Whoa.
Ronnie was thinking of another.
I was thinking of another modification that I've done that is not applicable to this.
You really gotta double check them. Right over where with a magnifying glass. Once you leave the driveway, it's on you.
And those mechanics are all liars and thieves.
You noticed that, Ronnie?
Every one of them.
Especially the ones that have those expensive Bentleys.
Oh, they just take it for a ride.
Just by the way, a Bentley Turbo R is not an expensive car. Those things aren't worth.
Well, that's because you don't have to pay for the repairs.
No, I bought one. I thought I was getting a good deal, and now I'm in it more than it's worth, and that's just for paying parts.
The most expensive Bentley is the cheapest one you can buy.
Yeah. So, just like with a lot of my cars, I'm just gonna live with them. I'm not in the sales business. My dad calls me a hoarder.
You need a resident.
A hoarder. That's not nice. Okay. These go to the window motor, essentially. Okay, one goes right here. We'll neaten this up once we know it works real good.
You expect it to work too?
Yeah, I qualified it by saying I hope this works, remember?
In your Rolls-Royce newsletter, don't they recommend Mandera concept
For wood, yeah.
in Goleta?
Yeah, that's what I use.
Yeah, years ago I used it. They seem to be good. I didn't realize they were still open until I read it.
They're not cheap.
They don't do the job
The only
right.
thing I did was
Whether somebody
mix
else
these
is-
two wires up. So
Oh,
it went the wrong direction so far.
They do excellent work though.
No, no doubt about it. Wow.
Hands off.
There we go.
That's it. It worked.
Hooray!
Thanks for coming.
You're not done yet, are you?
Well, I'll put it all back together. You want me to put everything back together too, on camera?
Why not?
That's when all the smoke comes out.
You only have to do this one door because it's the only one that had a problem.
We still haven't done your intro yet. Still gotta do that. Keep those going.
I already got one wife, you know.
Is this work start?
No. That is, you talking about Caron?
Yeah.
No, he has a hooper. He has a hooper. That's pretty neat. This is gal lives in Dana Point, I think. Her name's Valerie. Her husband owned that thing for years and died mid-restoration. So we kind of finished a lot of the details and made it roadworthy for her. I had to teach her how to drive it. It's a stick shift.